Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to hide hidden album on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. One of the most important feature Apple focuses is on privacy. The company wants you to feel like all your personal data and files are safe across all your Apple devices, and your MacBook is not an exception. That means the picture you keep in the Photos app hidden album are already safe. But if you want to use an extra layer protection, you can hide or lock your album so you're the only person with access. So how to do it if you want to hide your hidden album on your MacBook? It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our Photos album on your MacBook. So as you can see in here, there's hidden, right? If you want to hide it, it's very simple actually. You can just select on the view on your menu bar and hide hidden album photo. Hide hidden photo album. You can just select on that. So the hidden album is disappear from your list, your photos list album on your MacBook. It's very simple, right? Like on my previous video, I've shown you how to hide photos and how to unhide to show your hidden photos, to show your hidden album. You can just go to view to show your hidden album on your MacBook in here. Show hidden photo album, and to hide it you can just select in here and hide hidden photo album. It's very simple, right? So that is how to hide hidden photo album on MacBook. Forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.